Add some bold character to your everyday essentials with this Pets Rock Snoop Dogg Microfibre lens and sunglasses cloth, a great pick for fans, gift buyers, or anyone who wants a practical accessory with a bit more personality. Offered here in new condition. This listing includes one cloth in its original retail packaging, exactly as shown. Designed for cleaning laptop screens, mobile phones, glasses, sunglasses, and other delicate surfaces, the soft microfiber material makes it genuinely useful day to day, while the striking Pets Rock design gives it far more novelty and gift appeal than a standard plain cloth. It is compact, easy to carry, and ideal for a desk, handbag, laptop bag, or travel kit. Please note, any very light wear to the outer packaging would be consistent with normal shelf storage, but the cloth itself appears clean and unused. It will be securely packed with free UK postage and sent by Royal Mail Tract 24. Grab it now before it goes.